Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into our energy to see what the heck is going on. Gratitude, hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. Take a resonate, leave what does not. If it doesn't apply, go ahead and let that thing fly, okay? Energy is always fluid. I could be speaking of a masculine, it could be a feminine energy, okay? Let's go ahead and get into it. What y'all got going on? Hopefully, you guys had a wonderful holiday. Those that celebrate, okay? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Hopefully, you guys had a wonderful weekend. What's going on? What is going on? What do we have to look forward to? What's going on with the Divine Space family, friends, and collective? What are we looking forward to? What should we expect? What's happening? I see STD, itching, burning, herpes, foul odor, and taking meds. What? I beg your finest pardon. Demon time at the bottom of the day. Why is demon time here? Y'all be careful. Somebody in your energy burning. I don't like that. Some of y'all energy is like spiritually transmitted disease, spiritually a sexually transmitted demon. No, okay, a spiritually transmitted demon, a sexually transmitted disease. Y'all clarify this STD energy. Clarify this STD energy, please, spirit. What's going on with this STD energy? Um, it says I got body work and now your self-esteem is on a high low. Pick a side because I'm doing me. So somebody got their body done or has their body done. Somebody got body work done. And it seems like there's an energy or someone may like people that have their body done or something. Because I'm seeing an energy of it is affecting someone's self-esteem or has affected someone's self-esteem. And it's an energy of somebody like they doing them. They don't care how anyone. This is an energy of someone got their body work done, y'all. Look, this is the energy of someone that got their body done. Like a BBL or something like that, y'all. I'm seeing older woman, younger man relationship. So somebody could be speaking or talking to someone that's older than them or younger than them. I see in death until death do us part, we have miles in this relationship. So it seems like look how the older woman is on the ground listen. For a minute when I looked at it like an older woman and a younger male or something, but if you look closer, it's like this person, they both look like older people. I don't know. But it seems like you guys may have been dealing with this person or taught they've been dealing with someone. Y'all place it whatever way it need to be. I don't know if it's you. I don't know if it's somebody in y'all energy, but somebody has been dealing with somebody for quite a while. And like I said, there's an energy of someone, you gotta be careful who y'all laying down with. I don't care if you even married to these people. I'm being completely honest. Let's go ahead and move forward. I got body work, and now your self-esteem is on a high low. This could be somebody that's in your energy, like your partner, or your partner could be talking to someone else. Okay, why I heard that song? I miss you. I'm talking to you. I miss you. Was it I love you? I don't know. I'm talking to you, baby. I miss you. Clarify this. I got body work. What's going on? Clarify this body work. I got body work energy. I got body work energy. What is it that we need to know? One more for I got body work. I see it looks like there's a lot of projection going on in the connection. I'm seeing this renewal or whatever spark there was, it seems like it went out or is going out. I'm seeing an energy of someone being released, or there's an energy of someone, you know how it looked like some, it's like somebody like new body, new me, or I look this good, I don't have to settle or deal with anything, you know. Y'all be careful. I'm seeing an energy of projection and someone not looking at themselves in the mirror or something like that. I'm seeing an energy of someone having high expectations, but with those high expectations, it comes with an energy of being cold and detached. Clarify this older woman, younger man relationship energy. What is this one about? Older woman, younger man. What's going on? Older woman, younger. It looks like somebody is not having doing the do. Somebody hasn't been doing a do or not possibly attracted or something. I'm seeing someone not having sex or possibly not having, there's no type of chemistry, or chemistry has ran out or something like that. Older woman, younger man. What is this about? Look, I'm seeing an energy of fulfillment in reverse and a wish fulfillment. A wish fulfillment in reverse. Someone's wish has been denied. There's an energy of something not coming into fruition. Older woman, younger man. What is this? A union. There's some sort of union, or possibly, yeah. I, I don't know. So someone's getting ready to have an epiphany or go through have a breakthrough. That something is not going to go the way that they expected. Maybe somebody wants to be exclusive, but the other person possibly does not. And now somebody done got, I guess, their body together or something done where now they feel like they hot shit and they like, hey, take it or leave it because I'm going to do me regardless type of energy. Let's go and clarify until death do us part. We have Miles in this relationship. I don't know if you guys could be married or have been in a long term, been in this connection for a very long time. All right. Yeah, there's an energy of comfortability here. Okay. Like someone trying to hold on to something that is familiar or comfortable for them. We have Miles in this. What's going on? Yeah. And I'm seeing an energy of growth. You know, there's an energy of growth, something connected to the summertime. All right. I'm seeing that this could be like your twin or some sort of soulmate energy or something like that, where you possibly thought that you guys were like a united front, or possibly on the same page. Okay. But I'm seeing someone ending up in this energy of regret. I'm seeing someone holding on to repressing some sort of emotions, in this energy of lack. I'm seeing suffering. All right. From regarding the past or connection that you had. It's like now looking like it's like a past, like somebody becoming an ex. And I'm seeing spirit wants someone to be in the present energy of being grateful for learning the lessons or something like that. Because I'm seeing an energy of abundance. There's energy of someone being abundant. If somebody left, you guys, don't let them back. They might have an STD, you guys. This is like an energy of somebody like wanted to go, but then it's like an energy of somebody else wanting to hold on because of the union, the history or how they made them feel. But there's an energy of, you're clinging to yourself note as you being, staying or entertaining something because of familiar or comfortability. And the spirit is needing for you to let that go. Somebody can need to be let go. Anything else? Clarify this spark in reverse. I'm also seeing a denial of a renewal. Look, Three of Swords. It looked like somebody got them their body done or something like that. Um, got their hair done or cut or something like that. And then they just like somebody act brand new. I'm seeing energy of heartbreak. I'm seeing energy of someone breaking up. If maybe somebody got some money and started acting different. Anything else for this renewal and spark in reverse? Yeah, I'm seeing someone after a breakup being pushed into this energy of, you know, um, they started being in isolation, spending a lot of time to themselves, going through this energy of spiritual enlightenment. I'm seeing you setting boundaries, protecting yourself as well, having to maintain some sort of control over a situation or something like that. Um, you may have even blocked somebody. moved, blocked and moved or something like that. One more, please, Spirit. One more. Mm-hmm. But the temperance angel, for your own peace, there's an energy of you coming into alignment. And with that peace and that separation or that breakup or you going within, it seems like you have this energy of like good luck. The number 10 could be significant. Number 14. I'm seeing the wheel turning in your favor. I'm seeing an energy of fate being here. Good luck, good energy, good karma type of energy. Clarify this chemistry and passion in reverse. Chemistry and passion in reverse. There's an energy of breadcrumbing. Chemistry and passion in reverse. Yeah. It's almost like an energy of breadcrumbing someone, especially in they're trying to make themselves look like something that they are not or were not. And I see to continue to have someone invest time, money, and energy into them is what I'm seeing here. What else do I need to know in regards to chemistry and passion in reverse? One more. Chemistry and passion in reverse, please, Spirit. I see star. There's an energy of spirituality, of someone being spiritual. There's an energy of someone possibly even like praying or manifesting, or like there's going to be some sort of wish come true. With this star energy, I'm seeing an emperor out here. It could be significant. You could be the emperor, or there could be a wish come true, especially when it comes to someone obtaining an emperor. This could be regarding like a father figure or something like that, or some sort of older masculine energy. That's what I'm seeing here with this emperor energy. All right. Clarify s- comfort zone. Comfort zone. I'm seeing clarifying this comfort zone energy when it comes to like history you have with this person where you're now viewing things or have will be looking at things from a different perspective. I'm seeing an energy of someone being let go. Okay. Someone severing ties. Yeah. And I'm seeing with this justice card, there's an energy of balance here. All right. I'm seeing that there's a karmic justice here. Yes, karmic justice. There's consequences to actions here, especially when it comes to like possibly a family or a long-term relationship or something like that. I'm seeing with this Ten of Pentacles that there is an energy of unexpected finances here for someone, possibly a large lump sum of money. And I'm seeing someone being single, abundant, and prosperous with this Nine of Pentacles. And I see someone in regret. There's energy of regret, remorse, or experiencing a missed opportunity, especially with come having being in a connection or relationship with you. Mhm. Anything else? They look like they're gonna try to want to work it out. Yeah, I'm seeing an energy of you guys celebrating. There's energy of you being happy. Is what I'm seeing here. And somebody is carrying a whole lot of burdens due to the guilt. And not only them, I'm saying financial burdens too and strife, all right, because of an energy of juggling. Okay, this person was juggling not only financially, but energetically, emotionally. Okay, somebody can have water in their chart. Queen of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces could be significant with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Yep, Seven of Cups. Someone having choices or entertaining other choices and options, especially when it comes to matters of, love. Okay. And with that, I see you guys receive a new beginning in finances, and somebody's in regret with the Nine of Swords. Regret, remorse, anxiety. They're in this energy of a self imposed restriction. They put themselves in a self imposed restriction. There's almost like an energy of them being in this energy of jail, you guys. They might go to spiritual jail. That's what it looked like, like a guard or a judge putting them in spiritual jail or in jail or something like that. Mm-mm. I see the Empress at the bottom of the deck. The Empress is moving on. There's an energy of the Empress having a brighter future, is what I'm showing here. Anything else in regards to this clinging uh, to comfort zone, self node energy? Yeah. withdrawn. The Empress withdraw her energy. There's an energy. The Empress is moving on. Okay, abandoning whoever this person is. Um, withdrawing, abandoning whatever plans that they have, no longer wanting to do that with them. I'm seeing being divinely guided with this Six of Wands and this Hermit energy. Yeah, to victory. To having the advantage with the Six of Wands. There's an energy of you being celebrated is what I'm showing here. It's like you receiving assistance with the Three of Pentacles. Yeah. Anything else? We have a King of Cups out here with the Ace of Swords. There's an energy you receiving clarity, truth. Anything else? We're clinging to the South Node and the closing of a cycle. Might be providing clarity to maybe a masculine, a King of Cups energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you could be ending up in a relationship or connection with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And I'm seeing a closing of a cycle. There's energy of you letting things go from the past. There's energy of freedom. There's energy of completion. There's energy of feeling whole here. That's what I'm seeing. Y'all have a good one. Can't keep going back to what I used to know.